If you're cleaning your throttle body like this, stop right now. Because with just one wrong step, you could destroy your engine without even realizing it. Many people think cleaning a throttle body is as simple as spraying and wiping. But in reality, just spraying the wrong type of cleaner or opening it the wrong way can damage the electronic throttle motor. It can also trigger a check engine light with codes like P2000, 101, P2000, 119, or even send your car into limp mode. In this video, I'll show you how to do it the right way, just like a professional mechanic. You'll learn how to clean your throttle body safely, with no errors, no ECU damage. It will help your engine run smoother, improve throttle response, and increase fuel efficiency. Don't clean your throttle body before watching this video. Part 1. Why doing it right matters. The throttle body is the gateway that controls how much air enters your engine. Every time you press the gas pedal, the throttle plate opens and allows air to mix with fuel. This air-fuel ratio determines your engine's overall power, smoothness, and fuel consumption. But over time, oil vapors from the PCV system and carbon deposits start to build up around the throttle plate edges. As that layer gets thicker, the plate begins to stick slightly. It may not close completely, or it may not open to the correct angle. The ECU, which is the brain of your car, receives inaccurate readings and constantly tries to compensate with extra air or fuel. The result is an uneven, idle, delayed throttle response, higher fuel consumption, and sometimes a check engine light with codes like P506, P121, or P2000, 119. A clean throttle body helps your engine idle smoothly, respond faster, save fuel, and reduce strain on the entire control system. But if you clean it the wrong way, you can burn out the throttle actuator motor or cause the ECU to misread the position and prevent the car from starting. That's why following the correct procedure isn't just a small tip, it's mandatory. If you're still here watching and listening at this point, I truly want to thank you. Not everyone takes the time to learn how to protect their car the right way. And that shows you're not just a driver. You're someone who truly loves and understands your vehicle. That's why I've prepared a special video just for you. You can find it in the description below. It's called Stop Cleaning Your MAF Sensor Like This. It's killing your engine. If the throttle body is the doorway for air, then the MAF sensor is the eye that tells your engine how much air it's breathing. Watch that video right after this one ends. When you understand things the right way, you're not only keeping your car healthy, you're also protecting your wallet and your entire driving journey. Part 2. How to clean the throttle body like a professional. Now we're going to do it step by step the right way, safely and effectively. This is the exact procedure professional mechanics use in the shop. It leaves the throttle body spotless without damaging any sensors or electronic motors. Step 1. Prepare your tools. Before starting, make sure you have everything you need. 1 can of CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner, sensor safe, specifically made for this job, a screwdriver or 10mm socket, a few clean, dry microfiber towels. Step 2. Remove the intake hose and sensors. Next, you'll need to remove the air intake hose that connects the air filter box to the throttle body. Use the screwdriver to loosen the hose clamp, then gently pull it off. If your car has a MAF sensor, unplug the electrical connector and set it aside. Never let the cleaner spray or drip onto this sensor. That's one of the main reasons cars end up with delayed throttle response, rough idle, and increased fuel consumption. Step 3. Clean a cable-operated throttle body. If your vehicle uses a mechanical, cable-operated throttle body, you can open the throttle plate manually to make cleaning easier. Spray the cleaner in short bursts, never in long continuous sprays. Then, use a microfiber towel to gently wipe around the throttle plate edges. Pay special attention to the circular contact area where the plate meets the housing. That's where most of the carbon buildup forms. After wiping 7 or 8 times, you'll notice the throttle plate becoming shiny again, closing more tightly, and moving much smoother. If needed, you can use a soft bristle brush, but never use a wire brush or sandpaper. They can scratch the surface and cause air leaks when the plate closes. Step 4. Cleaning an electronic throttle body. For electronic throttle bodies, never use your hand to open the throttle plate. Inside, there is a motor that precisely controls movement using plastic gears. Even a slight twist can cause the shaft to misalign or the gears to break. Instead, turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Have someone gently press the gas pedal. The throttle plate will open automatically. At that moment, lightly spray the cleaner around the edges of the throttle plate. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then use a soft cloth to wipe it clean. Repeat this several times until the throttle plate becomes bright and shiny. Do not spray directly downward because the cleaner may flow back into the actuator motor and cause a short circuit. If you are working alone, you can use something to hold the gas pedal down, such as a tube, stick, or long screwdriver. Always make sure it is safe and that the brake pedal is not being pressed. Step 5. Reassemble and dry. Once the throttle body is completely clean, let it air dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Then reinstall the intake hose, reconnect all sensors, and tighten the hose clamp. Finally, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Wait for about 90 seconds, then reconnect it so the ECU can clear the old throttle position memory. When you start the engine for the first time, it may idle loudly or at a higher RPM. Do not worry. This happens because the ECU is performing a throttle relearn to recalibrate the throttle position. After a few minutes, the idle speed will return to normal. Part 3. 3 mistakes that damage the throttle body and trigger, the check engine light. Many people clean their throttle body and end up with the check engine light on, or even worse, a damaged throttle motor. The reason is not the cleaning itself, but the 3 critical mistakes they make afterward. Mistake 1. Using the wrong cleaner. Some people think all cleaners are the same. That is a big mistake. Carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner contains very strong solvents. These chemicals can destroy the anti-friction coating inside the throttle body. They can also harden or damage the rubber seals, causing the throttle plate to stay slightly open and create air leaks. Always use a sensor-safe throttle body cleaner, such as CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner. Mistake 2. Opening an electronic throttle plate by hand. Electronic throttle bodies have a precision motor and plastic gears inside. If you twist the plate open by hand, even slightly, the motor shaft can move out of alignment or the gears can break. This often causes the car to enter limp mode and trigger error codes like P2000, 101, or P2000, 119, and the replacement cost? It can range from $400 to $900. Mistake 3. Skipping the throttle relearn process. After cleaning, the ECU must relearn the throttle's open and closed positions. If you skip this step, the idle may stay too high, or the throttle may feel weak when you press the pedal. The easiest way to do this is, turn the ignition key to on, press the gas pedal all the way down for 5 seconds, slowly release it, turn the key off, then start the engine again. After a few minutes, the idle speed will stabilize, and the car will run smoothly again. Doing it correctly once can keep your engine healthy for years. Keeping the throttle body clean may sound small, but it determines how well your engine breathes every single day. A simple, proper procedure can save you hundreds of dollars in repairs and keep your car running as smooth as the day you bought it. If you found this video helpful, share it so others don't make these costly mistakes. And don't forget to watch the next video. Stop cleaning your MAF sensor like this. It's killing your engine because a clean throttle body is not enough. A dirty MAF sensor can still make your car drink fuel like an SUV. Learn how to maintain it the right way so your car stays healthy and so does your wallet.